Catch a flight.
Catch a flight.
I caught a flight to New York. Book a hotel.
Book a hotel.
We booked a hotel near the beach. Pack a suitcase.
Pack a suitcase.
She packed her suitcase last night. Go sightseeing.
Go sightseeing.
Let's go sightseeing today. Miss a flight.
Miss a flight.
He missed his flight due to traffic. Take a trip.
Take a trip.
We're taking a trip to Europe. Lose your passport.
Lose your passport.
I lost my passport at the airport. Rent a car.
Rent a car.
We rented a car for the weekend. Check in at the hotel.
Check in at the hotel.
We checked in at 3 p.m. Get travel insurance.
Get travel insurance.
It's smart to get travel insurance.